As per the comment sections of our reviewed money market funds, one of the most requested review was the Ndovu money market fund. So for today's video, welcome to our review of Ndovu money market fund. First, I will quickly ask the members of Zimele Money Market Fund whether they ever knew that Ndovu Money Market Fund proprietors were in partnership with Zimele Asset Managers. An obvious answer would be a no, and that is because in most cases, while the fund manager or are our customers, they do ask a lot of KYC information. They must know their customers because from their end, the fund manager sees us as investors as their customers. And we, the investors from our end, we should be looking at the fund managers as our customers because they are going to be using our own money, the investments. And therefore, we should be asking enough of KYC information about knowing that fund manager. Simply, what I'm trying to say is that the proprietor of Ndovu Wealth Limited or the Ndovu Money Market Fund, which is powered by Ndovu Wealth Limited. The Ndovu Wealth Limited is a trade name of Waanzilishi Capital Kenya Limited, where Waanzilishi Capital Kenya Limited was in partnership with the Zimele Asset Managers up to the year 2021. Zimele members do not know exactly, as per our previous review of Zimele Money Market Fund and what happened. Majority did not know even whether the Zimele Money Market Fund transitioned from a money market fund to a fixed income fund in year 2021. That is the same time when the split between the partnership between Waanzilishi Capital Kenya Limited and Zimele Asset Managers happened. The Ndovu Wealth Limited, which is the one that is powering the Ndovu Money Market Fund, and it's a trade name of Waanzilishi Capital Kenya Limited, was registered in the year 2021. So if you are good at reading between the lines, you know that this purposely, in our view, should be one of the reasons why Zimele transitions from a money market fund to a fixed income fund. After the registration in the year 2021, Ndovu was licensed by CMA in March 2024. And therefore, in August 2024, that is when Ndovu Money Market Fund was launched. That is to say then, this fund or the Ndovu Money Market Fund has been in operation from August 2024, and that consequently means that they are in their third month of operation. For licensing and regulation, Ndovu Wealth Limited is licensed by the Capital Markets Authority and it's regulated by the Nairobi Stock Exchange. It's regulated by Communications Authority of Kenya. It's also regulated by the Data Protection Commission for purposes of protecting or ensuring they act responsibly on the information that they are gathering from the investors. That is to say that Ndovu Wealth Limited is a fintech startup. This is a robo platform that will give you access to both local and international financial markets in investing through an online platform. Ndovu Wealth Limited is founded by a team of 3 able people, and the team is under the leadership of able Madam Riadhika Bachu. We'll be looking at the specifics relating to the Ndovu Money Market Fund after 3 seconds break, so don't go away. In the meantime, don't forget to give us a like to this video engage us in the comment section. Give us your comment, your opinion, your question, or whatever else you would want us to review or to look at. Don't also to look at and share this information or this video to another person. Those parameters are very important in the growth of this channel, and for that reason, YouTube algorithm will be recommending the video to another people, helping us share the information and also grow the channel. See you after 3 seconds break. Welcome back, and thank you for liking this video, giving us a comment, and sharing this video. If you are new to the channel, we request you to give or bless us with your subscription. And if you found value in this video, we promise you we have a commitment of giving at least 4 videos every week laden with value. And therefore, hit the notification button so that when we upload the next video, YouTube will send you a notification. First, into the elements and looking into the details about the Ndovu Money Market Fund, we will begin with the registration and incorporation. Ndovu Wealth Limited, which is the trade name of Wanzilishi Capital Kenya Limited, which powers Ndovu Money Market Fund, was incorporated or registered in the year 2021, that is after ending their partnership with Zimele Asset Managers Limited. The next important is the licensing of Ndovu Wealth Limited. As per our research and analysis, Ndovu Wealth Limited was licensed by the Capital Markets Authority in March 2024. That means they were offered or they qualified and registered as authorized fund managers. And in August 2024, that is when Ndovu Money Market Fund was launched, giving it 3 months to date in operation. 4, we're looking at the ecosystem. And the ecosystem, we are looking at the 4 important parties that are governing our collection of funds or are governing the investor funds, the audits, and the investments. That ecosystem refers to the custodian, the trustee, the fund manager, and the auditor. Our analysis or our research revealed that, as you are aware, that the fund manager in this case is the Ndovu Wealth Limited. The custodian, who must always be a bank, is the party that is charged with the responsibility of keeping the investor money and only makes it available to the fund manager to fund the investment portfolio that has been created by the fund manager. The custodian here is the Diamond Trust Bank. The fund manager is responsible for creating profitable portfolio or profitable investment portfolio upon which the fund manager requests for funding or availing of the funds held by the custodian in line with the fund policy. Then we have the third party, that is the trustee. And the trustee ensures that the fund manager and the custodian are held responsible for their decisions. So the trustee becomes the party who ensures that the investor interests are protected. And in this case, the trustee for Ndovu Money Market Fund is the Cooperative Bank of Kenya. The auditor assures the investors of the performance of the fund. The next important thing to look at will be the Ndovu Money Market Fund profile, where the profile is the one that gives us now the other nitty-gritties relating to the fund. As per our schedule, in this case, the fund manager, as earlier indicated, is the Ndovu Wealth Limited. We have the name of the fund, that is the Ndovu Money Market Fund, denominated in Kenya shillings, that is the currency. And this fund requires you to invest a minimum of 500 shillings. And therefore, the Ndovu Money Market Fund, as in terms of the minimum requirement, it appears to be an improvement from what Zimele Money Market Fund required as initial investment in their partnership, because Zimele was the first money or first asset manager to offer the least investment entry level, that was 100 shillings. This fund is benchmarked on the 91-day treasury bill rate, and its risk profile is low. Lastly, the other important element to look at is the asset allocation. Asset allocations majorly come from the fund fact sheets, and because this fund, or the Ndovu Money Market Fund, is in its third year of operation, that important document was not available as at now. But important is that as per the details offered through their platform, is that this fund will allocate its assets majorly on commercial papers, which are debt instruments issued by corporations or companies to finance their short-term cash flow needs. They will also invest in treasury bills, which are paperless debt instrument issued by the government through the central bank for purposes of short-term needs, and also fixed deposits, which are financial instruments that are offered by banks for investment, and they offer returns, average returns, that are higher than the normal fixed deposit accounts to term. One of the key elements that most investors look at is the average rate of return by the fund. This fund currently offers an average of 15.5% return on its money market fund, and that places it above. That places it in the category of money market funds that are giving above average return, because currently the average return by money market funds is about 14.8%, and also it places it within the first 10 performing money market funds in terms of their returns, but below the top 5 money market funds, which are Saiton, Lofty Carbon, Etika, Kuza. And in our future review, we'll be looking at the details as per the fact sheet of the money market fund, and that is during the next quarter reporting. Thank you for watching.